must go on. We must not forget who we are and where we came from. Dahil, there's something about Manila. Manila as a city and its people. You may have all the buildings in Makati, in BGC, in Ortigas, you name it. No? They be there enjoying the progress, economic progress of our country. But, yung mga building na yun, walang soul. That's the uniqueness of Manila. It's meron siyang lalim. In fact,